Hello there. Welcome to Geeklish, where we learn English through the worlds we love, movies, games, and epic stories that inspire us. Today, we're traveling to Middle-earth, to a moment of courage, power, and light against darkness. We'll do a shadowing exercise inspired by The Lord of the Rings and one of its most powerful lines, "You shall not pass." Before we begin, let's quickly remember what shadowing means. Shadowing is when you listen and repeat immediately, following the rhythm, pronunciation, and emotion of the speaker. Like you're walking beside their voice. It's not just repeating words, it's feeling the emotion behind them, the energy, the breath, the intention. So today, as we practice this phrase, I want you to feel Gandalf's strength and learn how emotion changes English. Now, let's step into the story. You are deep inside the mines of Moria. The air is heavy, the light is red and trembling. The Fellowship runs across the narrow bridge, and behind you, a monster made of fire and shadow roars. You stop, you turn, you face it. Your friends cry out, "Gandalf, come on!" But you raise your staff and shout, "You shall not pass." Let's repeat that together. Slowly first, listen and follow the rhythm of my voice. You shall not pass. Now faster, with emotion. You shall not pass. Feel the power in your chest, the strength in your breath. One more time, louder. You shall not pass. Now imagine you are Gandalf. The fire burns in front of you. You know you might fall, but you stand tall anyway. Your voice is not angry. It's certain. It's the voice of someone who protects others. That's the true energy behind this phrase. Let's change the tone each time. Just like we did in the Star Wars exercise. When you speak with courage, you shall not pass. Strong, firm, protective. When you speak with calm authority, you shall not pass. Low, controlled, confident. When you face your fears, you shall not pass. Loud, brave, emotional. When you say it like a mantra, you shall not pass. Soft, slow, peaceful, like you're blocking your own negative thoughts. Now, repeat each version. Feel how the meaning changes with your emotion. Let's talk about what this line means, both in the movie and in life. In The Lord of the Rings, Gandalf says this to stop the Balrog, a creature of fire and darkness. He sacrifices himself to protect his friends. So when he says, "You shall not pass," he's not just talking to the monster. He's talking to fear, to doubt, to darkness itself. It's a line that means, I will protect what is good. I will not let evil go forward. I will stand my ground. In real life, this phrase can remind you of something powerful. You can say, "You shall not pass to your own fears," to procrastination, to anxiety, to anything that tries to stop your progress. Try saying it again. This time, imagine you're facing your biggest challenge. Ready? You shall not pass. Again, you shall not pass. That's your inner Gandalf speaking. Let's look at the key words. Shall, an old-fashioned word for will, used to express determination or strong intention. Example, I shall return. I will return. Not, makes a sentence negative. Example, you shall not pass, means you will not go forward. Pass, to move through, to go beyond, to continue. Example, you can pass the test, so together. You shall not pass means you will not go any further, or I will stop you right here. It's simple grammar, but epic emotion. Today, you didn't just practice English. You practiced confidence, presence, and emotional control. Every time you speak English, remember this. You're not just learning vocabulary, you're learning to express your strength. So whenever you face a challenge in your English journey, a difficult word, a hard pronunciation, a long video, stand tall, breathe, and say to yourself, you shall not pass. Because that difficulty won't defeat you. You did great today. Until next time, keep your staff high, your heart strong, and remember, you shall not pass. Enjoyed this adventure? Like the video and join our fellowship of English learners.